Hello backers, and basically welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing deep fried cream egg. But before we get started, please can I ask that if you like the content I'm doing so far, please, if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe and also hit the notification bell. And also give me a like as well, please, and also do comment as well. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so for this I've got a cup of plain flour, of course a cream egg, and half a cup of corn flour, and a pinch of salt and a pinch of baking soda already in the bowl, and some milk and some oil already in the deep fat fryer. Right, so I'll put the flour and the flours in, and mixing it together with the salt and the bicarbonate. Okay, so now I'm mixing in the milk as well, and you want to do that until you get batter. Okay, so I added more flour to get this consistency. Okay, so what you do now is dip it in water, and then flour, and then you dip it into the batter like so. Right, so I've very slowly lured it into the fat fryer. Okay. Okay, so when it's golden and crispy like this, serve up, and it goes very nicely with ice cream. Okay, that's it. So thank you very much for watching. Okay, so remember, okay, so please do comment, please do subscribe, and again hit that notification bell. And remember, if you have autism and want to learn to cook, or you just want to learn to cook in general, then please do remember, as always, I have your back.